How does the rule of odds apply to bird photography? Have you ever noticed how some photographs just seem to grab your attention? One reason could be the rule of odds. This composition technique suggests that using an odd number of subjects can create a more appealing image. In bird photography, this rule can work wonders, especially when capturing groups of birds. The basic idea behind the rule of odds is that odd numbers create a sense of balance and harmony. For instance, 3 birds in a frame often look more engaging than 2 or 4. Odd numbers can create a feeling of movement or tension, which adds interest to your photograph. When you are out photographing birds, applying the rule of odds can be a bit tricky. Birds are often in motion, making it hard to capture the perfect shot. However, if you can manage to photograph 3 or 5 birds together, you will likely create a more dynamic composition. This can really bring your image to life and make it more captivating for viewers. Now, there are exceptions to this rule. Sometimes, an even number of birds can create a striking image too. For example, a V formation of geese in flight may have an even number of birds, but the symmetry and movement still create a visually appealing photograph. So, it is essential to consider the context and overall composition when deciding whether to use the rule of odds. Using long lenses in bird photography can enhance the effectiveness of this rule. Long lenses allow you to isolate your subjects and create a shallow depth of field. This helps to emphasize the odd number of birds in your frame. A clean and focused composition draws the viewer's attention right where you want it. In addition to the rule of odds, there are other compositional techniques that can improve your bird photography. For example, the rule of thirds can help you position birds at key points in your frame. This creates a more balanced composition overall. Combining these techniques can lead to more engaging and visually appealing photographs of birds. So, next time you are out photographing birds, keep the rule of odds in mind. Whether you are capturing a flock in flight or a few perched on a branch, this simple technique can make a big difference in your images. Happy shooting!